is Jimmy Rogers with the Tom George Yacht Group, your premier Hatteras dealer. I'm here today at the Hatteras Yacht Center in Fort Lauderdale aboard a brand new GT54 Hatteras with the Senior Vice President of Hatteras Yachts, Tom Sanders. Tom, thanks for being with me today.
Jimmy, it's a pleasure. I'm glad we have the opportunity to speak.
Great. So tell me, Tom, what is new and exciting with Hatteras today?
Well, there's several new things that I'm very happy to talk about. First of all, we're hiring people at our plant in New Bern, North Carolina. Our sales have increased, so we're hiring to meet our sales backlog. Secondly, we have an aggressive plan to introduce 2 new models every year for the next 3 years. And the first one of those you'll see is the 70 motor yacht at this year's Fort Lauderdale Boat Show in 2015. I would also add that here at the Hatteras Yacht Center in Fort Lauderdale, we have some expansion plans to improve both the sales and the service experience for our clients.
So what is all this I hear about bringing back the Hatterascal program?
Yes, we're pleased to announce that we will have a Hatterascal, a fishing demonstrator, on the water again, the first time in about 2 years. We'll start that campaign this fall and continue it through the winter fishing tournaments here in Florida. And then in the spring and summer, we'll campaign it both up in the Mid-Atlantic area, the Bahamas, and the Gulf Coast. And Captain Jeff Donahue, who is familiar to many of our owners and has done the previous Hatterascal captain, will be running the boat again this year.
Wonderful. And I hear we'll be able to follow along with the boat and its journey through social media and online as well. Is that true?
Yes, we plan to. We plan to have an aggressive social media so that all of our clients and fans can follow the progress of the Hatterascal this year.
How does Hatteras directly handle new owner warranty and service?
Well, of course, we can do service right here at the Hatteras Yacht Center in Fort Lauderdale. We can do service also at our plant in North Carolina. But when it is required, and if a vessel can't get to one of these facilities, we'll put people on a plane, factory-trained technicians on a plane, and we'll send them to the owner's boat so that we can get the owner back on his boat, back boating in as little time as possible, and make it as easy as we can on the client when there's a problem that we need to resolve.
How has the change of ownership with Hatteras in the past couple of years affected the company?
Well, first of all, we have a seasoned leadership team in place who understand the business and the industry. And the new ownership has given us the tools we need to move forward and to grow. That's evident in the new models, introducing 2 new models every year for the next 3 years that we talked about earlier. On the inside, they've given us the capital to develop an internal communication computer system that will help us streamline all communications, build boats more efficiently, and help us communicate to our clients and to our dealers what we're doing and make the whole process work much more quickly.
Why is now the right time to buy a Hatteras yacht?
Right now we have a strong backlog, and that's being led by some of the new models we've introduced. Just this past Fort Lauderdale Boat Show 4 or 5 months ago, we introduced the 45. It was the first time it was ever seen, and we're now up to hull 11. The 100 motor yacht, introduced just over a year ago, we're now up to hull number 5. And then we've got the 70 GT Sport Fisherman and the 70 motor yacht, which will be at this year's Fort Lauderdale Boat Show. So we're recognizing the trends that are in the marketplace. We're building new products. We're answering those trends, and customers are seeing the new models coming out from Hatteras, and they like what they see.
Wonderful. Well, that's great, Tom. We really look forward to seeing what Hatteras has to offer going forward in the future. Appreciate your time today, and I look forward to seeing you again.
Thank you, Jimmy.
For more information and exciting new developments about Hatteras Yachts, please visit our website at tgyg.com or visit Tom George Yacht Group on Facebook. Thanks for spending the time with us today. Look forward to seeing you in the future.